So today we are going to sew a button back on a polo. But first I'm going to go through how to thread a needle once more. Again, you cut the edges with scissors. And I'm using red for contrast, just so you can see what I'm doing. Take the ends of the thread, wrap it around your finger once or twice, and fray the edges like this and bring it to a close. Sometimes it might not take the first time, so you need to do it again. That end is a little too big, so you want to clip the back part off. Now, before I sew this button back on this polo, I'm going to show you how many buttons I have just on over here. So if you see buttons with threads still in them, I cut those off myself. Sometimes I have clothes that are not worthy to be donated or given away, and I save the buttons and the zippers. So this is a standard shirt button, coat or blazer, have so many buttons you can choose from. And if you can't find your button at home, go to Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Joann Fabrics. And usually when you buy clothes, the manufacturer will give you extra buttons. So save those and put them within your button stack. So I'm going to get the right color thread, pink. And this is the big needle, but it's small enough to fit through the buttonholes. So you want to use the size that correlates to your fabric, buttonhole, or project you are sewing. Again, you can get these at any sewing store. Needles with small eyes and large eyes. So now that I have my thread, red T, ready. I keep saying T for D, red T. Let me pull all the buttons. I'm using pink because pink matches the thread that is already on the polo. See? Now, if you don't want to use the same kind of thread, you can use the color of the man on a horse, or you can use white or black, or tan, or universal colors. So you see where the holes of the buttons were before. Just stick the button on there and start sewing from the back, because you do not want to show that awful knot that you created when you made the threading. So I'll just go diagonal. Then when I have about 5 diagonals in the first in the first area, I will switch to the holes that have no thread, and I would start doing the diagonal in those areas, and it will connect like so. This is my last one, and I'm telling you, you will stick yourself. I stuck myself today, just now. But when you do it enough, when you get enough practice, you won't stick yourself that much. And voila, I have the buttonholes, the button sewn on the missing button. Till next time.